Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on the brake light switch on the S2000. How to test it and how to replace it, and why we're replacing it. So right now I got my helper pressing the brake pedal, and no lights are coming on. We've already checked the fuses and the relays inside under the hood. Everything's working there, so more than likely gonna have a bad brake relay switch. So the brake light switch is found right under here. You guys can see it right here in this little corner right here. So I'm about to take that out and then we'll test it out. So you want to pop this off first. Just like that. Try not to knock yourself out with it. And then unscrew. Alright, so next we're going to take a multimeter and you're going to place it on the ohm side to check for continuity. So we're going to take the old sensor, place that there, and then check the points for continuity, which we are not getting any. Next, take a new sensor, do the same thing. And there we go. We got something. Brake light switch. And just put it back in the way you took it out. And we should have brake lights. Alright, like I was saying, the installation is just the reverse of how we took it out. Screw this back in. Hook your switch back up. And that's it. Alright, one last thing I want to add is when installing the brake light switch, you want to make sure you get a few threads out, just enough that this button right here gets pushed out enough so that it's getting pushed in all the way. And when you turn your car off, your brake lights don't end up staying on all the time. And now that we have the brake light switch in, and look at that, we got freaking brake lights. You guys have any questions? Just leave them in the comments below. I'll try to leave a link for the part number and all that. And have a good one, guys.